let's take a look at the latest updates from the parking industry. In 2018, we had the opportunity to fly to Salzburg for a tour of Experience World, SKIDATA's showroom dedicating to showcasing the company's digital solutions, cloud-based software programs and hardware applications to customers and industry experts. While we were there, we were able to take a closer look at some of the SKIDATA products.
So the Skiosk Smart, as you can see here, is our latest development. It's an interactive customer terminal where we want to bridge the gap between remote operation of a car park and to provide more customer service for the customer on site at the car park.
I see a big screen. I also see product selection, so that means that there are multiple. It's not only for paying, but also other things I can do here.
Yes, exactly. So it's not only for paying, it's first of all how you're interacting with the device, so the standard application as you see here, but as well you can place advertisement on the screen, for example, or other type of information. For example, you could link to a web page if you want, or you could link to other types of information if you would like to do so. As well, not only use it for payment, but as well if you want to sell products at the device. So you can define different products for the device which can be sold at this machine.
To find out more about SKIDATA's Experience World, visit the Showcase tab at parking-net.com to watch the full showcase video. The City of Savannah has unveiled a digital prepaid parking system in partnership with Flowbird, which will replace the antiquated smart card system. Drivers are now able to purchase a validation e-purse which can be used to pay for parking at the city's Flowbird Strada pay stations. At St. Cloud State University in Minnesota, convenient remote parking payment is now a possibility for students and visitors following the introduction of Flowbird's Way to Park app. Congratulations to Daniel Ungar, the new Managing Director at Sunhill Technologies. The former head of project controlling and project portfolio management at Volkswagen Financial Services will head the finance, operations, security and compliance departments and will help to continue the close collaboration between Sunhill Technologies and Volkswagen's Financial Services. Both Nagels and Syndicate Secure Print have received renewed certification from SKIDATA for their barcode and magnetic stripe tickets. Nagels and Syndicate Secure Print both hold recommended and certified ticket manufacturer status with most of the parking sector's leading OEMs. The M4 parking guidance system from Park Assist is transforming parking at the University of California, San Diego's new Osler parking structure, the first of 3 installations planned for the campus over the next few years. The camera-based smart sensor system features digital guidance signage, the Find Your Car feature and Park Alert software. Registrations are now open for the Parking Industry Expo 2019, which will be taking place in Illinois from the 11th to the 14th of March. We will be exhibiting along with 100 vendors, so get in touch now to make an appointment or drop by our booth to see us. More information will be coming soon. And from venue parking to airport and shopping center parking, you can find out more about the networking events we are busy planning for this year at parkingevent.com. Register now to get your year off to a great start. That's it for this week. Follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram to stay up to date with the latest developments in the parking industry. I'm Alex Fontaine and I'll see you next time.